Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register your Humana member account at myhumana.com. Easy guide step by step clearly. To register your Humana member account, start by opening your web browser. Type in the URL myhumana.com in the address bar and press enter. Once the website loads, locate the register option on the home page. Click on the register link to proceed to the registration page. You will now see a prompt to enter your member ID or the information associated with your account. If you have your member ID, enter it in the provided field. If you don't have your member ID, fill in your first name, last name, date of birth, and zip code. After entering your information, click on the Next button. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify your identity. You may be asked to answer security questions or verify via email or SMS. Once your identity is verified, you can create a username and password. Choose a strong password that meets the criteria listed on the page. Confirm your password by entering it again in the designated field. Next, review the terms and conditions and privacy policy. Make sure to agree to them by checking the box provided. After agreeing, click on the Submit button to complete your registration. You should receive a confirmation message on the screen. Now, you can log in using your new username and password. Your Humana member account is ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.